All right, guys, we are starting with a mess. Last fall, life got the best of us, and we were unable to get parts of the garden wrapped up for the season the way we'd like to, and unfortunately, we were left with this. Maybe you can relate. So today I'm going to take you along and show you exactly how I'm going to deal with this. So maybe if you find yourself in a similar situation, rest assured, all is not lost. I sincerely appreciate all of your guys' compliments and kind words on how beautiful the farm looks once it's up and running, and it will again this year. But that doesn't happen overnight, and simple ain't easy. So I'm going to take you along, show you how we transform this mess back into looking more like the rest of it. Now, granted, the rest of it didn't look this good. I've been working on it for the last week or two, trying to get everything ready, getting my beds prepped so we can get things planted out here. So I'm going to take you along, grab my tools, and we'll get this done. This is a mess, but just got to do the work. It'll be good as new. So these are 30-inch, all 30-inch by 50-foot long beds. So we definitely have our work cut out for us. These two beds here I had covered with a tarp. I just pulled that and moved it over to those beds in the big hoop. And you can see these two beds here will have to do the same thing. So this block of beds basically all has to get reworked. So the first thing I'm going to do is go through with the shovel and get all of the deep-rooted weeds out of there. We've got this pokeweed that is just terrible. So I'll show you that when I pull it out, but those roots go deep and they get large. So I've got to dig all those out. I don't want to leave them in the bed. And once I have the deep-rooted weeds out, then I'll go through with the stirrup hoe, get all the small stuff cut out of there, rake it up, shape it, we'll be good to go. So that's the plan. It's going to be a lot of work ahead of us, so we better get at it. This pokeweed is the worst. Great big roots on it. I'll have to dig those out a little bit more yet. So that's that. Phase one complete. Now that we've got the bulk of that up and out of there, I think I'm gonna go through with a rake first. There's a lot of debris on top, so I'm gonna get that raked off. And then I think I'll go through with the stirrup hoe, and then re-rake it, clean them up a bit more. So we're just about there. We're getting there. Look at that. That looks a little different now, doesn't it? Whew. All right, hopefully guys, this gives you a little bit of motivation. If you come across one of these challenges yourself, sometimes you just got to do the work. Usually that's all it takes. So now we are ready for amendments and compost. You can watch this video right here, see how it's done. We'll see you in the next one.
Yeah!